I once managed 4,000 influencer partnerships in a single spreadsheet. It was such a nightmare. I spent half my day fixing broken formulas and the other half jumping between tabs trying to figure out what was going on with all my partnerships. I built Amplify because I realized that if I was going to scale, I needed a system that worked as hard as I did. Here's what that system looks like today. This is where I like to start my day. Here I have a full overview of everything going on in my program. I can see every partnership, where it stands, who I need to follow up with, whose content I need to review. And I'm able to go step by step through these and prioritize my day in a way that makes the most sense for my goals. You can click into any profile. This is the full influencer profile. Here you can see all of their social handles and click out to them directly on social platforms. You can see them segmented by niche. You can also see where they stand, past relationship details. You're able to also add in their discount codes and UTM. This is connected directly to Shopify. So this will actually be able to create the coupon codes in your shop and also track sales on our platform. You also have a place to track every single deliverable they are creating as part of the partnership. This link can actually be sent to the influencer so that they can submit the content to you for review, and your whole team is able to review it in one place. Once that content is approved, it'll actually be saved here so that your whole team can review it. Lastly, when you're negotiating, you're also able to see how much you should be paying that influencer based on their average views and a few other details to make sure you're not overpaying on partnerships and helping you stick to that ROI goal you have. You're also able to review the influencer's content directly on Amplify and send them the feedback. So let's see how that looks. So here we're able to watch the video that the influencer created. They can also submit a caption, and we can see any information that we've sent them. So we can send them a brief directly within this link. We can track usage rights here as well. Once the influencer sends that in for review, we can add in notes, tag other team members, get their feedback as well before sending the feedback back to the influencer. Once we like the video, we can actually approve it and add it to our content hub with any usage rights and tags that will help us repurpose that content. Let's see what that content hub looks like. This is the content hub. This is where you'll have all of the videos ever created by your influencers in one place. You will be able to filter through them by tags, by influencer, by segment, by campaign, and also by usage rights. This will make it really easy for you and your team to repurpose any of this content in ads, on your website, on your organic social, wherever it might be relevant. Lastly, we have analytics. Our analytics allow you to see exactly how your influencer program is performing. Through our Shopify API, we are able to bring in sales data from both UTMs and coupon codes to help you see which influencers are performing best and what that performance looks like. By looking here, you'll be able to see things like ROI, revenue, and you can also break that down per influencer. This will help you see exactly where to double down for your next campaign. We also have performance data where you're able to see exactly how each influencer's videos are performing. Through the link where the influencer submitted their content, they can also submit the performance screenshots from their social media, and this will automatically be populated into the platform. So instead of jumbling between different screenshots in your email and things like that, all you have to do is look at this dashboard and see exactly which reels are performing best, what your engagement is looking like, and which influencers to double down on, especially if you're focusing on reach. You can also see the breakdown based on specific campaigns. Lastly, we have team analytics, which allows you to see exactly how your outreach is working. You can see what your response rate is from influencers and where you might need to make adjustments to scale your program faster. If your current process feels like it's held together by duct tape, I would love for you to try Amplify. I've been there, and this has really been a game changer. You can jump in for a 14-day free trial and try it out for yourself. If you want to see how it fits exactly within your workflow, feel free to book a demo call. Our team will be happy to help you get started.